1234 is the second in the series of 5 offshore patrol vessels being built for the Coast Guard by the Goa Shipyard Limited, and will soon be christened as Coast Guard Ship Sanjiv in the due course of the ceremonial procedures. Goa Shipyard Limited has constructed 17 offshore patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard, which form majority percentage of our capital ships. In addition, constructed 11 fast patrol vessels and undertaken refits and repairs of large number of platforms till date.
This launching is one more feather in the cap of GSL and is a validation of the confidence reposed by Government of India and Coast Guard in indigenous shipbuilding. It's indeed a matter of pride and honor for me and Mrs. Mittal to be present here for the launching of this indigenous vessel. I am confident that GSL will deliver the ship to the Indian Coast Guard on time and within the contracted amount. With increasing maritime threat perception, induction of these sophisticated offshore patrol vessels will add power and might to the Indian Coast Guard. Since these vessels are intended for protecting our maritime boundaries from intruders and also for rescue operations in the case of maritime emergencies, these will provide better peace dividends to the nation. At present, 6 OPVs built by GSL under an earlier contract are operational with the Indian Coast Guard. I am told that each of these 6 OPVs were delivered ahead of schedule and have recorded excellent operational performance.
We are launching the second vessel of the OPV series. The first vessel was launched 3 months ago on 21st Feb 19 by the Honorable Raksha Mantri. The launch of the second ship of the series in quick succession of launch of first vessel is a symbol of yard shipbuilding capabilities, its employees, and validation of our performance and unwavering commitment for timely delivery of ships.